Okay, so you're going to come over here to wonderground.com, which you should have at the top of your page. In where it says search for location, you can either click here and then click on Fayetteville, North Carolina, because I've done this before. It's on there. If not, you're just going to put your zip code in and click on it. It doesn't matter. I just picked that one. Okay, so once you get here, you're first going to see this piece right here. In where it says temperature, you're not going to write the big number. You're going to write the high and the low. Each one of them are worth a certain amount of points. So on your sheet, you're going to put high. I'm just going to put an H and then an L. Okay, an H and an L. And then I'm going to put 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The F in Fahrenheit should be capital. That's how we write that in there. Then for the low, we're going to write 49 degrees Fahrenheit. For each one of these things, you're going to get a point. So for writing H, you get 1. For writing L, you get 1. For writing the number, you get 1. The degree sign, 1. And the Fahrenheit with a capital, that's +1. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. If you want to write yourself plus signs, that's fine. This is worth 8 points. Just the temperature alone. You have to put the degree sign where the degree sign goes. It's about you learning how to write a temperature. Okay? After you're finished with that, I'll make this higher. After you're finished with that, you're going to scroll down. Okay, you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff with air quality and all this other stuff. Just keep scrolling. This additional conditions, that's where I'm looking at. Okay? Sorry, I just want to make this over here so we can do this while we write. Okay, so additional conditions. We're going to work on humidity first. Does everybody see where it says humidity right here, 56%? Yes. You're going to write 56% here. If you just write the 56, you get 1 point. If you write the 56 and the percent, you'll get 2 points. Under clouds, it's going to say clear here, or it's going to say partially or whatever. You're going to do that same little line. On the top, you're going to write what it says on Wonderground, clear. And under here, you're going to look out the window, and you're going to draw the clouds. Okay, so what I see is just a couple of them as I look out the window. So I'm going to put a couple little puffy clouds on here. Okay? Yes, it says clear. I'm going to skip wind here. I'm going to move down to precipitation. For both rainfall and snow depth, we don't have anything. So we're just going to write 0 inches. You get a point for 0 and a point for inches. That doesn't mean that you write 0 in each box. Do you see that? Each day it's going to be different. Okay? And then air pressure. Air pressure on this sheet right here on this website is they just wrote pressure. So we're going to write 30.34 inches. You get 1 point for the number, and you get 1 point for the measurement. After you're finished with that, you're going to scroll back up. And you're going to write this. You've got 7 mile per hour wind. 7-mile-per-hour wind from the east. So that means it's coming from the east. It's going towards the
South.
west. It's coming from the east. Because wind is named after it, where it comes from. Everybody do that again. Wind is named after where it
Comes from.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so right now, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This whole day, I'm just going to give you a 20, is equal to 20 points. I'll give you an extra 1 just for doing it. Okay? This whole day is equal to 20 points. So 20 points here, 20 points here, 20 points here, 20 points here, 20 points here. Okay? This is due on December 11th. So if you by chance forget to do this tomorrow, and it's Saturday, and you realize that you need to hand this in to me on Monday, you can cross Tuesday off, and on top of Tuesday, write the word Saturday. Okay, I've given you 2 extra days in order to be lazy for 2 days. Got it? If you lose this paper, I'm saying this on the video so when your parents listen to it, they can hear it. If you lose this paper, it is your responsibility to get a piece of notebook paper out, draw this chart, and hand it in. Does everybody understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have time in the morning after you take an AR test, you're more than welcome to look up the weather on weatherunderground.com if you don't have a computer at home. If it's the end of the day and you're done with your math stations, you're more than welcome to look this up on weatherunderground.com and fill this out. This should take you no more than 5 minutes. It'll take you less time to actually watch this video. Are we good?
Yes.
Question?